Hello friends, this is Ashish Kumar and you watching Emerging Exposure. Friends, do you want to know how to check anyone's WhatsApp status without them knowing about it? Yes friends, in this video we are going to discuss about this procedure and let's see how does it works. So keep watching this video till the end and please give a subscription and keep supporting to us, and don't forget to press the bell icon. By this you can get latest update from our channel.
Give me every time.
Here we go. Firstly, open the WhatsApp application from your smartphone. Then click on the three dot option which is in top right corner. When you click on it, some option will come out, but you have to click on the setting option. Whenever you click on it, this kind of interface will come out in front of you. Then simply click on the account option. Then go through privacy option. Then this option will show up. Then scroll down this page and look for read receipts option and enable it. And you have finished the procedure. Now you are able to check others' WhatsApp status secretly. Also, you can read others' messages without them knowing about it. So friends, it was the trick in this video. See you in next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.
That's my best friend.